Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to increase the minutes for rest mode in PlayStation Portal. So you need to swipe like this to see the settings on PlayStation Portal. So here we need to choose the settings because if I'm not touching this console for 1 minute, it will be automatically putting into sleep mode. So I just want to keep it 5 minutes or more than that, or I just want to turn it off. So here we need to go to systems and then come to power savings. So by default it is entering rest mode into 1 minute, okay. So I'm going to choose that by tapping it. So you can choose after 5 minutes, or simply you can choose don't put in rest mode. So that's it friends. So this is the way you can adjust the minutes for rest mode. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video form. Thank you, bye and take care.